Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use the nav bar in Webflow. So let's get started. First, open your Webflow project and go to the designer. After that, go to the left side panel and find the nav bar element. Now drag and drop it onto your page. Webflow will automatically add a logo placeholder, menu links, and a mobile menu button. Then, select the brand section to replace the default logo with your own logo image. Next, click on the menu links and rename them like Home, About, Services, or Contact. You can link each tab to a different page or to a section on the same page by assigning section IDs in the settings. After that, let's quickly check the mobile view. Switch to tablet or mobile mode at the top and open the hamburger menu. Here you can change text, spacing, and colors so everything looks clean. If you want the nav bar to stay at the top while scrolling, just select it, go to the Style panel, change position to sticky, and set it to the top. Finally, press Preview and test everything on desktop and mobile. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.